Hello everyone, I am Niharika Tiwari from Sociobits, and today at Sociobits Talks we have a very special guest, the founder of Crubella, Mr. Chirag Balani. Thank you so much for joining us today, Chirag.
Hi Niharika, thank you.
So Chirag, could you tell us a little about Crubella?
Okay, so Crubella is a platform where anyone in this country can hire crew for their media related projects. For example, if a production house in Bombay wants to shoot in Assam, but it's difficult for them to hire crew from Mumbai and then take it to Assam, rather they can hire someone from Assam itself. Same way goes for everything. It covers TV, radio, video, films, and events industry.
And why did you choose the media industry to be focused?
Okay, so I am from the media industry and I have been working since last 5 years, and this is the problem that I was facing every day. Not facing, but I was actually seeing this problem every day. So the production house where I was working required different kinds of crew almost on daily basis, and every day we had hundreds of people waiting outside our offices for work. Most of them were actors, but some of them were media crew, and hence my production house could not connect with the crew. Okay, so I thought that there should be a platform where people could see the profiles of every kind of crew they want to hire. They can see their skills, they can see their profession, they can see their experience, and and then they can hire. This is why I thought media industry is the best, because no one in the industry is doing so.
Okay, and I was curious, how did you come up with the name Crubella?
There is no logic behind it. See, my name is Chirag Balani and it's Crubella. So the initials are same, CB, and my surname Balani ka Bala is termed as beauty or quality or pure, and Bella from the crew means the same. So crew stands for crew and Bella stands for quality. So CB, Chirag Balani, same initials. That is the only thing.
That's interesting. So could you tell me a little about how your journey has been?
Okay, so when I first started it, I saw there were already Facebook groups doing this kind of jobs, but it was failing because Facebook groups had thousands of people, but reach of the post were not even 20. Okay, so for example, if someone wanted to hire a cinematographer in, let's say, Jaipur, Rajasthan, and they put it in that group, the probability of reaching that post to the person in Jaipur, Rajasthan in 10,000 is less than 1%. Okay, at Crubella, I designed a system where if you put I need to find a cinematographer in the location Rajasthan or Jaipur, we will directly send the notifications to the cinematographers residing in Rajasthan, so they would know that someone from Bombay wants to hire us. And this is how I thought there should be a system. We can't rely on social media only.
Definitely. And did you face any, can you like tell me any major challenge that you face and how are you tackling it?
Okay, there are two challenges only that I face. First is the technological aspect, because Crubella is based on blockchain contracts. Okay, everything is made on blockchain technology, which is still a comparatively new concept in India, because very few developers have been able to make services and products based on this. Okay, so what we do, we hire crew using digital contracts, and a digital contract has to be the most safest option on the internet, because anyone, if it were easy to hack into that contract, it would mean that Crubella is not working. That's why we chose blockchain technology. So finding developers to build that technology has been really difficult. And another thing is that the media industry is still corrupt when it comes to crew. Okay, clients do not trust crew with their money, and crew do not trust client with the work. Okay, crew is always afraid that client will eat up the money. Client is always afraid that if I give him the money, they will fuck up with the work. Okay, I'm sorry, I swear. Okay, so these are the two challenges that I faced. Now when someone hires a crew through Crubella, they get two options. First, that their money is secure and their work is secure. Okay, that's what I'm trying to do. And another thing, is that you'll only meet genuine clients and genuine crew, because we do a background check of the crew, and if the crew or the client has been involved in some malicious activity in the past, it will be represented on the profile. So like Google reviews, you can also see the reviews of clients and crews on the profile. So these were the two challenges that I am now tackling with my team.
Speaking of monetary security, how are you ensuring that both to clients and the crew?
Okay, so what happens is, like Niharika, what happens is that Niharika, you hired me to shoot this interview, okay? And what you will do, let's say I charge you 15,000 rupees for the entire shoot. What you will do when you are hiring me, you will pay the 15,000 rupees to Crewbella, okay, which will be shown as credits in my profile, that Niharika has hired me for her work and she has paid Crewbella 15,000 rupees. Okay, I'll come here, I'll shoot it for you, and when the shoot is complete, you will tap yes, the shoot has been complete perfectly. I will tap yes on my phone on the digital contract, and then Crewbella will transfer the money to me. So hence, I as a crew do not need to worry that if I'll get money, okay, and you as a client won't be afraid because you will see me working. Okay, now let's say I come here and I do not work the way you wanted me to, or I do not provide the quality of work that I assured you in my profile and in my resume. What you can do is you can report that digital contract on Crewbella. You can upload video and photographic proofs, and Crewbella will analyze, and if they find out that I have not worked up to my mark, they will return all your money or the portion of the money that is required to be submitted to you. Same way, if I come here and I see that I am ready to work but I do not have anything, like you called me for shooting but your camera is not working, the mic is not working, there are no lights here, there is no management, and it's just have taken 10 plus hours for shoot to even begin, I can report on the Crewbella and the contract can be terminated, and I'll get whatever work I have done us time tak.
Okay.
So that's how I assure monetary security.
Okay. So then what are your revenue sources?
Okay. I started Crewbella not as a means of earning money. Okay, so it's free for everyone to use, it's free for everyone to find crew. Only when you make digital contracts, okay, I charge a very little amount. For example, if you are hiring someone for 30,000, I'll only charge like let's say 1,000 rupees from it, because maintaining, organizing and creating a digital contract is in itself a robust process. It requires money, and that's how much I charge, and that's how I earn. So digital contracts are my first medium of earning money, and the second would be later on when I'll have more users, I can also run ads on it so that I can reduce the money I earn from crew and client as a commission for digital contract.
Okay. And you spoke of Facebook groups, correct?
Yeah.
So can you also point out how are you different from other freelancing websites like Upwork or Fiverr?
Okay. So what I observed is Fiverr and Upwork only help you work in remote jobs or jobs that you can do on a computer. Okay. They do not provide on-field creatives to work on. Okay, you can find a good graphic designer, Fiverr or Upwork, video editor, web developer, poster designer, everything, but you won't find a cinematographer or a photographer, or let's say a film director or production designer, storyboard artist. These are the professions that are required to come on field and work. They do not have those system. Another thing is the work is limited. So if you type video editors for work, you will see profiles like I will edit 1 minute video and my charge is 5,000 rupees. It's already fixed by Fiverr, or at Crewbella it's not fixed because we know several projects have several other demands. So what happens is at Crewbella, a client puts that I want someone to edit a video of 3 minutes and my budget is 15,000 rupees. And the video editors who will see the post can analyze that, okay, this is something that I can do, and then they can apply, and so the money is what, so you'll find crew based on your budget, your requirements, your skills. At Fiverr it is difficult. Okay, same way for the crew, that they can find clients. If someone is looking, okay, like I charge 10,000 rupees per day when I go on shoot, let's say an assistant director, I charge 10,000 rupees, and he sees that opportunities are there for 10,000 rupees, he can or she can apply. Okay, so that's how we are different from them.
Okay. So, I remember you told me that you have been ideating Crubella since 2017.
Yeah.
So, did COVID-19 have any impact on you because it came like in 2019, right?
COVID is the only reason that I was able to create it. So from 2017, I only had this idea that I need to build a community where every artist can come and share work or sell work or everything. It was a very vague idea. In 2019, when I was graduating from college, I had already worked for 2 years in Bombay in different production house. So I knew exactly what the problem was and exactly what the solution was. Thanks to COVID-19, that I got 2 years to work on, 2020 and 2021. In those 2 years, I did my research, I did my development, I made my team, I made my customers, I made my base, I promoted the brand, and only now in 2022, I am ready with my app to launch and for everyone to use.
Okay, so it has not been launched yet?
So we have an active running website, okay? It's a prototype of what we do, okay? Our final technology, the one that will be used by people effortlessly and that is bug free, will launch by 15th July. Okay, so that all of the work was done in pandemic only.
Okay, and your website, so currently how many users do you have?
Okay, so in last working 1 year, we have already gathered 6,500 plus registered users, out of which almost all of them have found work through Crubella or have given work on Crubella. The website is directly corresponding to our social media pages, Instagram, Facebook, and we are posting requirements every day. Almost every day we are posting requirements, and every day we are helping people find their right crew. So it's like in a month we hire more than 40 to 50 crew throughout the country.
So now that we have covered up the story, could you also share a little with me about the future? Like, are you looking for investments?
Okay, so when I started Crubella, it wasn't intended to be a profit-making startup. It was just to help the community. But now when I see the market and I see the possibilities, I will be looking for investors that are here for long terms, for like 5 to 7 years. Because I want to build this brand and I don't want to create a bubble. Almost every startup today is creating a bubble, is picking up valuations, picking up money, burning them out, and eventually I'm afraid it will lead to the crash of my startup. I want my startup to fail only when the product is not good, but not only because of valuations or some silly investors that have huge pockets. So I'm looking for someone who can invest their 5 to 7 years with an adequate amount of money. I do not want million or billion dollar investments. I only want something that is helped to gain profit in 2 to 3 years. Okay, and if I do not see a profit, I do not take investments. That is what my motive has been right now. That's it.
And what about your goals? Do you have anything set to be achieved? Like, I want to do this year, or
From
the roadmap
for
of-
Crubella?
Yeah.
Okay. So if app launch is successful by 15th July, I aim to cater at least 50,000 users from the media industry by the end of this year, while also maintaining my current crew acquisition. Okay, for example, today in a month we gather around 50 crew. Okay, so I would want that to stay stable. Grow hota hai, अच्छा है, but I want that number to stay stable because I do not want to see a hike and then low. I want to stabilize first. So for example, if I see 100 people want to hire but only 20 are hiring, I would focus first that those 20 people get adequate amount of services from Crubella, that their project works well. I'm focusing on stability and eventually I'll grow into numbers. So let's say this year I am focusing that 50 crews every day or in a week. That is my first milestone.
And what about geographic expansion? Are you looking to go out of India?
Yes, I am definitely looking to go out of India. The major problem there is that a system is already there because they always work with contracts made. Okay, Hollywood ले लो, London ले लो, कहीं पे भी अच्छी film industry में they always make contracts and everyone is habitual to it. India is the only country where it's only mouth publicity or where only it's on licensing and that is why it is needed the most in India. ठीक है? Of course, when I have built the technology where I can reduce the paperwork and burning of foreign film productions, I will expand it to Hollywood also.
Okay, good. Well, I think Crubella will definitely help the media industry, and I wish you all the very best. And thank you for joining us, Chirag, again.
Thank you so much, Niharika.